name is Lucas Zawada, and together with my wife Magdalena, we are the owners of Zcase company from Poland. Today we would like to show you shortly how we made our flip cases and the fly cases in our new facility located in Jasionka town in Poland. Zcase was founded in 2012 in my home workshop where I made first flight cases myself. The first step whole process is the CAD design based on the client's requirements. After that, the next step is the programming CNC machines and preparing all production documentation. We are start production from the CNC machining, which one is behind of me. 99% of CNC machining is using for the cutting whole elements in our production. Our offer currently includes the 22 color of the plywood. Depending on the customer needs, we can use it and make lamination process. Next stage of our production is our wood shop, where the whole bed of consoles for our flip cases and DJ control towers are made. At this station we cut aluminum profiles. After this process, all elements go to the paint shop. At this moment we are in the riveting section, where all flight cases are riveted. After this process, all our flip cases go to the foam department, where we make all foam work. At this moment we are in the assembly section, where we connected the bed of console with the flight cases. After this stage of the production, the products will go to the warehouse, where the quality control and the packing takes place. In 2019 we start cooperation with our exclusive distributor in USA and Canada, ProX Live Performance Gear. The ProX Live Performance Gear are exclusive distributors Zcase brand flip cases, and also we produce for the ProX the flip cases and DJ control tower, which one we call ProX by Zcase. All of these products are made in here in Poland with all quality standard and requirements according to the ProX. At the end, I would like to thank you very much all Zcase customers and fans for supporting us and cooperation. Also, I would like to invite new customers to cooperation with us. Best regards from Poland.